Big dreams turn into big things, a powerful quote from Meek Mill, a man who has journeyed from the hardscrabble streets of Philadelphia to the pinnacle of the hip-hop world. His words, like his music, inspire and challenge, echoing the struggles and triumphs of a life lived in full. First, we delve into a quote from the early stages of Meek's career, where he said, "Work harder than anybody you've ever seen, that's what I believe." This statement is a testament to his relentless pursuit of success, a work ethic that has propelled him to extraordinary heights. Fast forward to 2012, Meek struck a chord with his fans when he said, "The money turned the noodles into pasta." A symbolic representation of his rise from poverty to wealth, this quote resonates with anyone who has ever dreamed of a better life, of transforming their circumstances through sheer will and determination. In the same year, he shared another powerful quote, "I won't let my past determine my future," a reflection of his determination to overcome his troubled past and focus on a brighter future. In 2015, Meek Mill released his album, Dreams Worth More Than Money, and with it, a quote that would become synonymous with his name. "If you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything." A call to action for all to uphold their beliefs and principles, no matter the cost. 2 years later, in 2017, Meek reminded us that sometimes we survive by forgetting. A profound statement on the human capacity to heal and move forward, reminding us that it's okay to let go of painful memories. Finally, in 2019, Meek said, "I've never been scared of sharing my stories with the world." A powerful affirmation of his commitment to authenticity, using his platform to share his experiences and inspire others. To recap, Meek Mill's journey and his words serve as an inspiration. His quotes encourage hard work, the transformation of circumstances, the importance of standing for something, the power of forgetting to survive, and the courage to share personal stories. These words from Meek Mill aren't just quotes, they are life lessons, signposts on the road to success. They serve as a reminder that no matter where we come from, no matter the obstacles we face, we have the power to shape our own destinies. Remember, big dreams turn into big things. So dream big, work hard, and let the words of Meek Mill guide you on your journey.